Okay, so the very simplest way to create a title in Premiere is to go to the title menu and select new title. The default still, and I'm going to call this title 1. And what will happen is that Premiere will recognize the format of the video and adopt that for the size of the title, and the titling window will appear. So here we have all of the tools that will be familiar to you if you've used software like Illustrator, so selection tools, type tools, vector drawing tools. Over here are the parameters to change the stroke and the fill of text, and down here we've got some default styles. So by far the simplest way to create some text is to just use the type tool to enter the text that you need, and then to format it either with one of these styles down here, but these can be a little bit generic and a little bit samey, so we can choose our own typeface, whatever it is that we want to use. But apply some of your good practice regarding type combinations. Combine sans serifs with slab serifs and contrasting type categories and things like that. Use contrasting color, contrasting weight. Take care not to use too many very fine, delicate, scripty typefaces, because they will have very thin serifs that perhaps will be smaller than a pixel once they're kind of rendered onto the screen. So I'm just going to change the format of this, change the font size down here, change the font. Let's see, Arial will be fine, narrow is fine. So there's a number of different ways that I can format this text, and all I need to do is to close down this titling window, and you'll see that a title has appeared in my project window, which I can just drag and position onto the sequence. I might do a little bit of reformatting of this and just apply some of my own formatting styles to the type before I proceed.